If the Jews return to the state of holiness, the Garden of Eden will be established again. The Garden of Eden is already established now. It was never destroyed. There's two Garden of Edens. There's two heavens. There's one in the physical world. That's where Adam and Chava were. And there's one in the spiritual world, meaning in the heavens. There's two. Same thing with Gehenom. There is one in this world, and there's one in the upper world. In fact, one of the world leaders, some say it was Alexander Mogdon, Alexander the Great, that ruled over a large part of the world and got to travel to different places around the world, and was an adventurer. Again, some say it was him, some say it was somebody else, but they say that he found the gates of heaven, the physical heaven in this world, and wanted to enter, but of course it's blocked, and there is the angels there, the chuvim. The chuvim there, there's the spinning sword, two angels that the Torah writes that Hashem has watching the gate of heaven, not to allow anybody in. And they don't have a humor. How do I know they don't have a humor? From this particular story, where when he asks to enter, obviously he's rejected, and he says, yeah, but I came all the way here. Can I at least have some type of proof that I saw this place? And they open the little compartment and give him a little box. And he opens the box, and inside the box there's an eye. Apparently, they find this humorous. I don't think you guys find it humorous unless you're a very morbid person. But nonetheless, that was the humor of the angels. And that's the historical story. Believe, don't believe, that's your problem. But nonetheless, either way, there is a physical heaven. There is a spiritual heaven. We've discussed some of them in previous lectures, so there's no need to repeat.